Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to push stock updates to WooCommerce in Craftybase. Using Stock Push with WooCommerce allows you to update your WooCommerce stock numbers directly from Craftybase, completely under your control. For Stock Push to work smoothly, WooCommerce products and variations must have stock management enabled in order for Craftybase to send updates successfully. To enable stock management for a WooCommerce product, first, go to your products list in WooCommerce. Then, select Edit next to a product that doesn't have stock enabled. Scroll down until you find the product data form. Select Inventory from the left menu. Enable stock management and save your changes. Now, let's enable Stock Push. From your Craftybase homepage, you'll first want to navigate to your WooCommerce Shops page. Now, to enable Stock Push, under the Stock Push column, toggle Status to On. If you haven't already authorized your WooCommerce store, you'll be taken to WooCommerce, where you will need to grant access to Craftybase. Scroll down until you see Turn on Stock Push and tick the box below. Select Save Settings to confirm your changes. Stock Push is now enabled and monitoring for changes in your stock levels. With Stock Push enabled, Craftybase becomes your one-stop source of truth. Continue pushing stock manually, or enable Auto Push when you're ready. That's it! You've now set up and enabled Stock Push for your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching, and happy making with Craftybase!